a lot of YouTubers and bloggers were raving about it. Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and I'm from Uttarakhand. Welcome to my channel, and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please नीचे वो जो रेड बटन है जिसमें सब्सक्राइब लिखा है उसको क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. This will not cost you anything, but it would help me a lot, so please do subscribe. In this video I'll be showing you things ranging from skincare, healthcare to some basic everyday items that I use. So there is a huge disclaimer, this is a very random haul. बहुत random चीज़ें होंगी इसमें, but I'm pretty sure कि आपको एक या दो चीज़ें तो पसंद आ ही जाएंगी. You'll think कि ये बहुत useful सी हैं. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my channel with all your friends. सबसे subscribe करवा दो ताकि ये 1000 subscribers reach कर जाए जल्दी से. And yeah, now without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. Also, I'll mention all the links in the description bar. If you want to buy anything, then you can check it out in below. So yeah, now let's get started. So I'll be starting with this hair mask that I got from Mamaearth. It's Mamaearth's onion hair mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. This comes in a big tub like this. This is for hair fall control और मुझे recently बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall हो रहा था. Used it a few times और hair fall में तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा change नहीं लगा इसको use करने के बाद. मतलब yes, there was a little difference in the amount of hair strands that were falling before and after using this, but ऐसा कुछ बहुत बड़ा change नहीं था. But this one makes your hair very soft and silky. Now the next thing is this is very random. This is a non-foaming shaving gel. I was looking for some kind of shaving gels or shaving cream or anything. Use a razor for removing my body hair. I came across this one because this said that it has aloe vera extract and it does not darken your underarms or anything. So I got it. As you can see, I've not मैंने एक बार use किया है शायद अभी तक. I've just got it recently. So अभी तक तो I cannot give my reviews on it कि ये कैसा है. जब मैंने एक बार use किया तो this was okay kind of, क्योंकि मतलब for your underarms this was pretty good, but then for my arms and legs मुझे ये उतना सही नहीं लगा. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगा कि ये उतना स्मूथ कर दे रहा था कि रेजर इजीली ग्लाइड ऑन हो जाए. I'll give it more tries obviously क्योंकि अभी तक तो मैंने ये एक बार यूज़ किया है. The third thing is नुस्खे by पारस का मंजन, and this has a very organic ingredients in it. इसमें सब there are ingredients like black salt, इलायची, फिटकरी,
clove, bamboo charcoal, and all that goodness.
And this is very good for overall health of your gums and your teeth in general. So I like to use this at night time after brushing my teeth. इसका taste obviously because it has all these आयुर्वेदिक मतलब natural ingredients, तो इसका taste बहुत ऐसे कड़वा bitter सा रहता है बहुत ज़्यादा. तो use करना is a little but then it is good for your teeth. I like it. मैंने इसको काफ़ी बार use कर दिया as you can see. इतना पाउडर और बहुत थोड़ा सा पाउडर यूज़ होता है ऑब्वियसली, और इतना पाउडर ख़त्म हो चुका है तो आई एम लाइकिंग दिस. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई गॉट इज़ लाइक अ ब्यूटी टूल यू कैन से. इट्स अ सेट ऑफ 3 eyebrow razors from Tinkle. Comes in a set of 3. एक येलो वाला भी था which is in my washroom right now because I'm currently using it. These are basically face razors that you can use to remove your facial hair from your upper lips or like any eyebrow, like if you can do your eyebrows on your own from this, or also your peach fuzz. So I got this because I wanted to try removing these facial hairs on my own. और अब मैं घर पे ही रिमूव करती हूँ. I don't go to parlor anymore. मैंने 1-2 मंथ पहले से ही स्टार्ट किया है. So I'm still getting the hang of it. There are a lot of myths floating around कि इससे बाल ज़्यादा डार्क आते हैं and all that. So maybe I'll tackle it all in another video. So yeah, for now I got this set of facial razors. I've been using it. I am liking it so far, and yeah. I got a protein powder for myself recently. So I've been going to gym for almost 1.5 years now, on and off. तो मैं अभी तक कोई भी protein powder use नहीं कर रही थी, but recently I got this Oziva's protein and herbs like a protein powder for women. So each serving of this has 23 gram protein, no sugar. I've got this in chocolate flavor. There were I guess 2-3 flavors और थे. This is better for body toning, for metabolism and for skin and hair. So I got this क्योंकि इसमें ये जो herbs वाला part था, this was a selling point for me. This is good for your hormonal balance. ये आपकी body में hormonal balance लाता है. So if you have problems related to hormones like I have PCOD, तो a lot of women said in the reviews कि ये PCOD को सही करने में help करता है. तो अभी मैंने इतना यूज़ नहीं करा है कि I can claim कि इसने ऐसा मेरा PCOD सही करा या नहीं. The next two things are interrelated kind of. They are of a similar category. So I got these lenses. I have a weak eyesight और मैं lenses पहनती हूँ, contact lenses. And I get this one from Aquasoft. मैं हर बार यही लेती हूँ. This has 6 lenses, 3 pairs obviously बन जाते हैं उससे. And these are monthly disposable soft contact lenses. ये contact lenses मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं Aquasoft के. So if you are looking for contact lenses, you can get them from Aquasoft. Next thing that I got is this one. It is a contact lens का set kind of. तो you open it like this और इसके अंदर आपको एक केस मिलता है in which you can keep your contact lenses. Then you get a small bottle जिसमें आप अपना contact lens का solution डाल सकते हो. And then there is this thingy है जिससे आप उसको उठा सकते हो. Like you can pick it up from this, the help of this. And there is one applicator जिससे आप उसको उठा के अपनी आँख में लगा सकते हो, which is like the most stupidest and thing. ये बहुत ही यूजलेस है. This does not work at all. या फिर मुझे यूज़ करना नहीं था. I don't know, but when I tried it, it just couldn't pick it up. तो फिर वो जब इससे उठ ही नहीं रहा तो लगेगा कैसे. I bought this specifically for this one क्योंकि you know there are times जब मेरे nails लंबे होते हैं तो थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है उसको remove करना या लगाना. So I got this कि इससे easy हो जाएगा. But then I tried it and it was like a useless thing. So I don't know, maybe I'll see some tutorial on it. So this is basically a travel case for your contact lens. अगर आप पहनते हैं contact lenses तो you know when you're traveling या फिर आप दिन भर बाहर हो तो you need to carry a case ताकि कभी भी अगर आपको कोई irritation या कुछ हो जाए तो आप उसको remove कर सकते. So left with just 2 more things. Next I got a makeup organizer. It's a 24 compartment acrylic makeup organizer. This is like transparent and it looks very classy. I got this for 261 rupees and I use this specifically for my lipsticks. इसमें अपनी सारी lipsticks रख के इसको अपने टेबल पे रख लीजिए और फिर जब भी आपको यूज़ करना हो तो आपकी सारी लिपस्टिक से डिस्प्ले पे होंगी तो आपके लिए बहुत ईजिली हो जाएगा चूज़ करना कोई भी लिपस्टिक. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ मेकअप ऑर्गेनाइजर फॉर योर डेस्क या फिर लिपस्टिक के लिए स्पेसिफिकली तो डेफिनेटली बाय दिस. लास्ट थिंग इज अ प्लानर. It's a daily planner that I've got recently and I'm planning to use this in 2020. So I like to plan my videos कि क्या क्या चाहिए उनके लिए. I like to keep my video ideas and I often plan my days also. What all I have to film, किस दिन पे कब कुछ अपलोड करना है, एडिट करना है या फिर कभी कोई स्पेशल फंक्शन हो. इसमें ऐसे करके you have a page like this where you have your daily planner, your schedule for that day, if you have some specific task that you have to finish that day. I think everyone should keep planners like these क्योंकि आपको organized रहने में बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है. आपके days बहुत easily manageable होते हैं. अगर आपको बहुत सारे काम हैं किस दिन पे you can write it all down. किस टाइम पे क्या करना है, किस काम की कितनी प्रायोरिटी है, तो इस हिसाब से you'll stay more organized and you'll be more productive this way. ये कार्डबोर्ड का है, काफ़ी थिक सा है, आप देख सकते हैं ये कवर. पेजेस की क्वालिटी भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. Again, I got this for 249 rupees and I think it's a good deal क्योंकि planners can sometimes be very expensive. और last पे you have this pocket also here. And with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. As I said before, I'll mention all the links in the description bar. Do check it out. Please do not leave without subscribing. A lot of people are watching my videos but not subscribing. So please don't be like that. Please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell me आपको कौन सा product अच्छा लगा इनमें से. Yeah, I hope you liked it and I'll see you next time. Bye.